Today we will learn class 8 physics, first chapter matter, in which we will study about the kinetic theory of matter. What is the kinetic theory of matter? So we know that all the matters are made of the small particles like molecules, atom and ions. So and also these atom or molecules, they are in the motion. So in this, if we are taking any matter there, then matter molecules are having some space between them. The space between the molecule is called the intermolecular space. And what is the force applied by the molecules on another molecule? That is called the intermolecular force. If the space will be more, force will be less. If the space will be less, force will be more. Now, we will see what is the kinetic theory of the matter, what is the molecules, and what is the potential energy of the molecule. What is the kinetic theory of the molecule? So we know that in the matter the molecules are in continuous random motion, due to which they are having kinetic energy, or they possess the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of the molecules increased when we are heating, means kinetic energy is increasing on heating. And what is the potential energy? Potential energy of the molecule is the due to the interaction of the molecules, what the energy possessed, that is called the potential energy, and it is due to the position of the molecules. So what is the energy possessed by the molecule due to the position, that is called the potential energy. So basis on kinetic and potential energy, matters can be now solid, liquid and gas can be explained here. This is the solid. In solid, molecules are very closely packed, they are rigid, and their volume, shape, size is fixed. They have many free surface and they cannot be compressed. In solid, molecules are only, they are not leaving the surface, only they are vibrating about their mean position, so they have minimum kinetic energy. And intermolecular space between the solid molecule is very less, so the force between the solid molecule is very strong and they cannot flow. Liquid. In liquid, you can see the molecules are little bit apart each other, and the liquid molecule can move under the boundary of the surface. They cannot leave the surface of the liquid. They can only move under the boundary of the liquid. They can move anywhere. They have more kinetic energy than the solid. Space between the liquid molecule is more, so they have less force, intermolecular force, less intermolecular force compared to the solid, and they can flow and they can be not compressed, or compressed very minutely, they can be compressed. Same way, what is the gas? Gas molecules are very apart to each other and they have no definite volume, shape and size. See, liquid has different volume but no definite shape and size, but the gases has no definite volume, no definite shape and size, and they can be compressed, and the space between gaseous molecule is much and more, means more compared to solid liquid, so the intermolecular force is very big and negligible between the gas molecule. They can flow and they have no free surface. This is the explanation of the solid, liquid and gas basis on the kinetic theory of the matter.